this window glass, this side of it looking nice, but this side got smashed by someone else last week. Some reason someone walked past, and it may be on their way or whatever, they will smash glass, so I thought I'd just get it replaced myself. So I got the glass, new one up. Got to clean this one, how to take all off. No, it's just got a new one of those, I mean second hand, not in a good condition, but it has to be cleaned. I got a lot of rubber seal, so it has to be clean everything, and then clean the window on the vehicle as well, and then go from there. So we'll see, like, got the silicone high temperature instant gasket. Hope it'll do the job, simply, whatever. It's in black, so we'll see how it goes. I put it on top of the seats. I have to handle it very carefully because it's glass. Where I bought it from, the person didn't give me the glass until I pay the money. He said, "Can you pay the money first, because it's glass, you may break it while handling it." So you gotta handle it careful, otherwise once it's broke or whatever, fucked big time. So you can't get hold of another one for cheaper all the time. So I got it for £75. I don't know what's the original price, but anyway, I got one of these because I tried with this one. It doesn't help very much. This one, it does the job. Like, just go like this and take this all off. See? So you have to clean it very good, because you don't want anything stuck in there. And clean it with the water and all that. Once it's very clean, this side and the vehicle, then you can put the glue in it, put it back on, easy. When it's come to this kind of job, the tool is the one who makes the difference, not your talent. So if you use the proper tool in the right way, it'll make your job easier. You can use those different type of tools, make your life harder, but these ones make your life a lot easier. It's just £1 with the whole lot, so I'll just use it and throw it on mine. So it's £1. So get the white tools down there, just go over round, take this off. It'll probably take about, I don't know, 15-20 minutes. It's worth it. This, I've cleaned it nice and clean, dust free. Yeah, on this one, it's a difficult part. It's not easy to clean them, but still, we're using one of these knives, so the easy is like to hold, put the knife underneath and cut it through. But it's nice and clean now. I made it clean as much as you can. There was one piece, but I'm going to leave it as it is. I'm going to touch it. The thing is this fucking measurement. I'll leave that. It's all clean. Lovely. And we're going to put the glue, put the glass back in, tape it. Done. Easy, isn't it? Alright, we put the glue on the glass, not on the frame, and then there was a mark anyway, so we just draw the line alongside, just glue it. It's simple and straightforward. Just cut it, twist it, and press it. Just go over it. Easiest you can think of. That's not difficult, and once you put it, it slips down. But we put the tape. You have to allow 24 hours to dry, and then it's good to go. Take everything off and clean it. Sweet as is. Well, come back almost after 24 hours since yesterday. This looks very dry. The glues are gone hard. And, it's solid. Right. What I'm going to do next, I'm going to take all the tapes off because they don't need it anymore, and pour some water on it later to check if there's any leak. Because the thing is, this vehicle in the winter very cold, so you don't want the winter cold getting into the vehicle. So ideally, if I pour some water on it, or maybe if I jet wash it, and if there's any leak, it will appear, the water will come inside. Then I'll probably take a sealant or something like that, just a white sealant or whatever, just to fill it. Or if not, I don't think it's needed anyway. When you installing the glass, after cleaning it, make sure the silicone glue, whichever the black color silicone glue you use it, you can even see that here. The glue is so you can see it comes out, but it's gone hard. Look, it's solid. That glue, make sure it goes on the glass, not on the body prime, because it has to go on the glass. Because I thought like I'll put it on the body part, but a friend of mine said like no, it goes on the glass. But he's right. The reason why, if you apply the glue around the glass, so it will glue it fully on the glass, and then even if it's touching few part of the body or whatever, or fully, and then that will be solid. But if you apply in the body, you can't guarantee it will touch everywhere in the glass, because you have to apply, because I only apply this small amount. And also when you applying from that gun, make sure apply small amount at the time, because I try to apply it gone too much at the time. So so consider them as well when you're doing that kind of stuff. Like I just did them all with the basic tools. I didn't use any advanced tool, and I'm going to do the cleaning now. Yeah, I got a big mess up here because all the glass pieces they get in here. I have to clean it, and once I clean it, it's done. I'm going to clean these paints as well. White spray to acetone. They may be costlier than turpentine, but whichever is going to do the job, just go for it. Substitute, I mean, it's the best word. Don't keep it too costly, and then just do the work with what are the tools and ability you have. Fuck the rest, who cares.